Yo, what it do? I'm about to open up my grill. Take this thing off so I can replace the AC condenser. Alright, let's get rocking. First thing I'm doing is taking off all the screws so I can get inside, get this grill off, and get the AC condenser that's right there the easiest way instead of coming from the top. About to get a screw with the little one. Say hi. No? Alright. Good morning, folks. We made it out here to our delivery in Mount Pleasant, Pennsylvania. Delivering these tanks. I don't know what they're used for, but yep, that's what they are. I have a forklift guy back there about to unload it. Send us on our way. We are leaving our delivery. Those tanks were being used for electrical purposes. Not really sure why, but I asked, what are the tanks used for? Electric. So something that has to do with electric. Those tanks operate in some capacity. So now we're back to Jersey, dropping this container. Doing what we do for the next day. All right, everybody, to the next clip. I'll see y'all later.